In order to bring the DVD contents onto your iPad, you need to first copy them onto your computer. You insert the DVD in the computer, and then open up My Computer, select the DVD section, and you will see here all of the videos that are on that DVD. I then select them all, copy them, and create a folder on my desktop containing those videos. And when I paste them in, this is what will result. And you will see all the videos here. In order to bring these into your iPad, you turn on iTunes, connect it to your iPad, select the iPad, select Photos, check the box that says Sync Photos, All Photos, Include Videos, and then, if it doesn't already say this here, you can select Choose Folder, go to your desktop, select the folder, and you are now ready to sync. You press the sync button, and the sync process will begin. And when it is completed, you will see 7, it calls them photos, but they actually are videos. 7 items are now synced into your iPad. And if you actually go to your iPad and you look and see, you will find that those videos are now in your photos, and you can go ahead and play any one that you want.